Oh my God. Okay, so I don't even know what is content anymore. Like, I don't know what is what. Like, everything I'm watching, and I have another clip. Maybe you'll put it in tomorrow's show because I have another clip where it's like everything is just reality TV now.
Right.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's, but also,
and it lives on TikTok.
It's reality TV, but also it's like, or are people just envisioning their lives as well as reality TV and they're amping it up? Or is the entire thing choreographed? I always have so many questions about this, but certainly the way people interact with it is as if everything's real. They just start typing away like, how dare she? And anyway, in this case, the premise, you have a mom surprising a daughter with a new Tesla for her 16th birthday. And then
it's a Model S, dude. That's something.
Well, see, you're doing the thing that the commenters are doing, but I just wonder if the whole thing is set up to just be a viral ploy.
Right.
Like because otherwise you're like, how can this person exist if it's not legit? But then that's why you have the reaction to it.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying here? Like, how hard would it be to borrow or rent a Model S, do your little choreographed piece, get your millions of views? So you tell me, is it an act or not an act? Play the clip. Go ahead. Here it is. Surprised my daughter with her sweet 16 gift, and she didn't even like it. I'm so pissed right now. I can't stand ungrateful kids.
So, I just got home.
3 million hearts. So how many views does that mean? I don't know. I'm not accusing, by the way. It's just purely alleged. Like, it's just everything I'm seeing is so hard to know what to believe. You have volume there.
So I'm about to go inside the house and surprise her with her car. Let's see how this go. I know she's going to be so excited. So, let's go get her, you guys.
It's not a plaid. Imagine.
So stupid.
I'm so excited. It's her sweet 16 birthday.
Okay, she said, I'm so excited a lot of times.
Deasia, come here. I have a surprise for you. I have to surprise you. What, you got something to cover your face? I got my spoon, man. Okay.
You have something to put over your face, and it's right on the couch? Okay, Will, like, I can't watch anything anymore.
Yeah. No, I hear you.
Why'd you stop playing it?
Come on.
I thought you were going to
Okay, no, I'm just like, I just want everybody to take note what they're involved in. Like, this is content media landscape in 2023. This is how we have to be about everything. You got to constantly be, you can never relax.
So step. Okay. Hold her hand. You gonna hold her hand for her?
Yeah, the other car in the front is smashed. You see that?
It's raining, I know.
That Chevy right there is smashed. Whatever car, I don't know if the mom or dad is driving, but then you have the Cadillac on the other side.
Keep going. Okay, take your mask off. Surprise! This is your car, girl.
I didn't want a Tesla. I don't like electric cars.
Wait, what?
For a Mercedes-Benz, I don't like Teslas.
You said you like the electric cars.
I said I like Tesla. I said a Mercedes-Benz. I don't like Tesla.
Well, you gotta like. This is better than a Mercedes-Benz.
This is not. I don't want no car that if I gotta charge it for it to work. I didn't want that.
Girl, you need to be grateful that you got a damn car.
I could have just been walking it. I would rather walk it.
Right. You should be happy.
Be grateful. You can put the keys back in your purse.
Oh, and I will. And don't ask me for nothing else. Oh, you're gonna be happy with that money.
How much is it?
Girl, open it up and stop being ungrateful, because now you starting to be ungrateful when you ain't got to worry about me ever again.
I never said I wanted a Tesla. I always told you I wanted a pink Mercedes-Benz.
Okay, well, I couldn't get the Mercedes-Benz, so you got that.
This is all you gave me for my Sweet 16 and my Golden...
Girl, do you know how much money that is? That's $1,600 for
That's
16.
it for my Sweet 16 and my Golden birthday?
Well, what did you
And then
want?
you gave me the truck.
I don't know, Lou.
This is the car.
What?
Not the truck.
This is
the car one. You guys, look.
You can have all your gifts back because why would you do this? This is my Sweet 16 and my Golden birthday, and you gave me a car I didn't even want, and then you gave me little money.
You was being really, really ungrateful.
In the chat, they say my BS meter is on fire. You're buying that?
This is ridiculous.
No, I'm not buying it.
And I'm not playing.
Oh, okay.
I'm not buying it at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you really don't want this Tesla?
I like that. Electric cars, I don't want to have to charge my car to get on it. You could have kept your gifts
Okay,
and all that.
I'll take it back, or I give it to somebody that
Look at
want it.
this. Like, I did not ask for it.
Is you serious?
Worst birthday ever. Like, ugh.
How was this your worst birthday?
Because I didn't ask for it.
Did she just? You guys, I am.
So this
sorry.
is just
Auntie,
the
I'm
this is
gonna
just
get
the future of content. Like this probably has like, if 3 million likes, what does it? What does that mean? It has like 15 million views.
Maybe.
So that's just the future of content now. Then is like what? What is it? How would you describe it?
Just fake.
Well,
I
it's
guess.
obvious. Okay, so fake is one thing, but people are engaging with it, right? Velocity metrics, like it goes,
Yeah.
it works. What does that mean? Do people want fake, or you got to check the channel now to decide?
I don't know. Where is that video actually?
Right there, 27 million, even more than I thought. 27 million views. It's just.
No, I mean, it could be real. I don't know.
Well, anything could be real, could be fake. She does a follow-up with 2 million views. I took her to Mercedes-Benz to pick the car out. 6 million views. And then she goes, you know what? Actually, she's grounded. And I took away all of her gadgets. And there's like a PlayStation controller. But I'm just saying, is this... You know, whether it's real or not, is it the future of content? What is it about a clip like that gets everybody going? 27 million views. Like the nature of our exposure to these things and our susceptibilities in general, from any standpoint. There is no 27 million view version of that at one point in human history. It just, you don't reach that many people with that event. I mean, maybe if you, whether it's an act or not an act, you might be walking down the street and pay attention to it, but it wasn't the scale of it.
Right.
Is and the ability to distribute it is the
And there's going to be a lot
unique
more
technology.
copycats. They see the view count. They're just going to be like, okay, we can do this too. Let's do a surprise reveal with our kid, whether it's real or not.
as a fake, and then exactly whether it's real or not, and then it says everything gets so damn muddy, and people are sharing things without even, and you see how it goes the deeper in the rabbit hole, right? It's out of control.
Yeah.
And you know what else? Here's the conspiracy theory for you, Will.
Yeah.
That actually that video was funded by that guy who did the Super Bowl commercial about
Really?
why Teslas suck.
The Odell guy?
Odell, he funded that so that she can say, look, nobody wants an electric vehicle. She comes out right away and she's like, I don't want an electric vehicle. I don't want to charge that stupid thing.
Oh,
See that?
wow.
That's right. That's how deep it is.
Okay.
That's it. Will. I just faked you.
Dude, I don't even know what to believe in anymore.
See?
It's too crazy. Especially on TikTok, I'm like extra skeptical.
I know, but then what is the experience of watching a bunch of things and you have no clue what anything is? Like, what the hell is that chaos, that type of chaos exposure?
I would say that for a bunch of people, whether it's real or not, it is, in a way, entertainment. Huh?
It all is. In
Yeah.
Chaos Land, that's all you have. In Clockwork Orange, that's it. It doesn't matter what it is. It's all just temporary engagement. It's all just escaping your own stuff temporarily. Like anything that can engage your attention does not matter what the substance is.
Yeah.
You're susceptible. It's dangerous.